Navi, are you gonna stay here? You gonna go over there? Okay, bye. Hey AllyCats! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to AllyCat Beauty. My name is Ally, and I'm here just trying to figure out this whole beauty game with all of you. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, AllyCats, as you probably guessed from the title, we are going to be unboxing my IPSY Advent Calendar that I got maybe like a month ago, but I didn't want to open it because I wanted to open it on video. So I waited. Obviously it's past Advent Calendar time, but I did want to unbox this with you guys. I didn't know if it was going to be mostly makeup, mostly skincare, so I do have this full face on already. But depending on what is in here, I will probably be doing a full face of whatever is in here or using these new products. That was my dog Navi. She's sitting with me here in the background, so you may see her popping in and out every so often. But let's get into this Advent calendar. So this is the box, and it opens up to this, but let's get to opening this Advent calendar. I'm just gonna open it up, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I probably won't be doing close-ups I probably won't be doing close-ups of any of the products. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, who knows? But if I do end up doing them, I'll be putting them in as we open. Let's go ahead and open day 1. If I can get it out. So day 1 is, see, this is why I don't like unboxing things, because if you can't open the box, then it's just awkward. Okay, we have a Kevyn Aucoin. I think that's a pretty good brand. So it's a Kevyn Aucoin Indecent Mascara in black. I do have quite a few mascaras right now, so I don't know if I will be opening this one up soon. Okay, day number 2 is gonna be this box right here. The Trestique Color and Contour Cheek Stick. I guess it has a sponge and then a pencil looking side and a rounder looking side. Okay, oh no, it's just, oh I see. So it's just the applicator right here. I'm not gonna swatch it just yet, but there is, oh, there's a, it's not a sponge, it's a brush. Number 3 is this big one right up here. I wonder what this one is. I do remember it saying it's like a mix of skincare and makeup, so I'm hoping we do get some skincare in here. Okay, so this is from Grown Alchemist Biological Beauty. It's the Age Repair Gel Mask. It's certified toxic-free, 100% natural, EWG verified, vegan, cruelty-free, organic, gluten-free. It's pomegranate extract and peptide complex. Smells pretty good. I'm not really sure how you use it. Okay, so it looks like you apply it onto clean skin and then let it absorb for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse. So it's just like a regular mask. And then number 4 is gonna be this small one right here. Hi Navi. You wanna come see? Oh, hello, hello. I love you. You wanna come open these with me? What's number 4? Huh? Number 4 is the Apricot and Camellia Lip Serum. So another, she's so cute. I'm just looking at my viewfinder watching her. She just wants loving cuddles, don't you? Yes, you do. Are you on camera with me? No? Okay, bye. So number 4 is the Apricot and Camellia Lip Serum. PETA certified, vegan, cruelty-free, no parabens, with apricot, camellia, jojoba, and pomegranate seed oils. What's a roller ball? I've never used a roller ball lip serum before, so we shall see how that goes. Next, we have number 5, which is this one right here. It's a wider box. Sometimes I don't like, this could have fit in a much smaller box. Like, why? Anyway, this is the Mineral Eye Cream from Nina. Says it's powered by Canadian glacial clay. This is a big eye cream. Oh, wow. So it's not a pump, but it like, that's kind of weird. Because I don't see a pump on there unless I have to just, oh. Just kidding. There is a pump. Okay. So it's a pump, but that's a lot of eye cream. It says with glacial organic mineral water, invigorating actives and berry extracts. Doesn't smell bad. I mean, it smells very creamy and I can smell the hint of berry, but we'll see how that goes. It's always nice to have another eye cream. Eye creams are very expensive. Next, number 6. We're already halfway through. Man, that's easy peasy lemon squeezy. This one is the Playlist Nourishing Ultra Hydration Sheet Mask 3D Hydration Complex. It's like there's 2 of them in here. So far, not a lot of makeup and a lot of skincare, which I do like because I feel like I have a very large collection, and I did actually post a collection video. If I haven't posted it yet, it should be coming soon, but I have a lot of makeup for someone who is not a full-time YouTuber. So I'm glad there's a lot of skincare because I can definitely use that more often. That was number 6. So number 7 is this one right here in the middle. So number 7 is, ooh, this looks colorful. Nanette Lepore, Colors of Nanette. I wonder what this is. Oh, is this a perfume? I think it is. Interesting. It smells good. It says, allure, happiness, bliss for a strong and beautiful woman. Hashtag boss babe. Take power and be confident with this fresh and juicy fragrance, opening with top notes of bright citrus and a melon splash. A feminine and unique floral bouquet of rose, jasmine, freesia, and lily reveal the heart of this perfume, ending with a central and warm accord of blonde woods and cashmere musks. It's definitely floral, that's for sure. And I'm definitely getting that splash of melon too, so this is cool. I've been getting more into perfumes lately. There may or may not be a perfume haul that I do, because I did get like a set from Sephora of deluxe sizes. And I'm trying to kind of find my scent, find what notes I like, but I have been getting more into perfume lately, so that's an exciting little find. And then 8 is gonna be this one right here. We've got a Girlactic 3-in-1 Lip Sparkle Balm in Periwinkle. So this you can apply underneath a lip gloss as a topper over your liquid lipstick or the lip sparkle on its own. Cool. So then we have number 9 is this big one right here. Ooh, it's the Glamlight S'mores Highlighter and Contour Palette. I've actually never tried anything from Glamlight, but I have wanted to purchase some things from them. I just never got the chance to purchase anything. I didn't really put it in my budget, and then I had a lot of palettes already that I still need to get through and use more, so I didn't want to purchase anything yet, but this is a highlighter and contour palette, and I think that that'll be a nice way to try out the brand. So that's pretty cool. Awesome. This is why I love IPSY, because so I get the glam bag every month, and it's nice to try out some new products, sample sizes and deluxe sizes, but some of the like advent calendars or mystery bags or different options that they sell and that they have on their site, it's a nice way to try different brands, even more popular brands. Some are more indie and some are more mainstream, but it's nice to be able to try a variety of brands and get products that you wouldn't necessarily have bought on your own before. So I think that's pretty cool. So that was 9, so we're gonna go in with 10, which is this one here on the bottom. See, like this is tiny. Why did you need to put it in a giant box? I don't understand. This is the Basic Beauty eyeshadow quad in Hot Cocoa Bomb. Interesting. I like that they put like neutral products in here as opposed to colorful, because not everyone likes color, so it's nice that they put kind of the basics in here. Oh, that's nice. So it's got 1 matte and 3 shimmers. We got 2 more. If I was opening these like throughout the 12 days of Christmas, this would be a pretty solid gift to myself to have these each day. So number 11 is gonna be this gigantic one right here. I'm just gonna take 12 out already as well. So empty advent calendar, pretty big box. I don't think it needed to be this big just because of the products, but we'll go into that after I open these two. So number 11, we have a liquid glass miracle smoothing sealant. Lasts through 3 washes. Okay, so this is from Drybar. It's the ultimate frizz fighter. It has heat activated technology, which wraps an invisible shield around each hair strand to provide frizz resistance. Leaves a super glossy, silky finish without weighing hair down. Lasts through 3 washes. Protects from heat. I don't straighten my hair too much or curl it too much, but I have some things that I actually got from IPSY. I have a flat iron and a hot brush that'll like dry my hair as I comb through it. So I do want to start styling my hair a little more, but since my hair is already like curly, it doesn't really need to be styled that much. But this will be good for when I do start using that more often. And then number 12, our last one. This is, oh yes, this is from Rare Beauty. It's the With Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm. You know, I think I actually have like a really mini version of this, except the one that I have is in like a tint. This is just the lip balm itself, but I really love the brand Rare Beauty, so I'm excited to have this. So overall, we have 12 really good products. I can't remember how much I purchased this for, but it was like $150 value for like 50 bucks or something like that. I'll put the actual prices and value up on the screen. Overall, it's a pretty good selection of makeup items. I'm really happy with it. I've got some things from some brands I've never heard of. Honestly, I think there probably could have been a little bit more makeup because I have 1, 2, I'm counting the lip balm as skincare because it's not really like a lip color. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products that are makeup, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 skincare, including the lip balm, and then 1 perfume and 1 hair care. So it is a good variety in terms of like hair versus fragrance versus skincare versus makeup, because most people I feel like would gravitate towards skincare and makeup versus fragrance and hair care. But overall, a pretty good selection. I'm excited to use all these products. There's definitely not a full face worth here, but I could probably use like the contour stick and then the S'mores palette with the Galactic lip shimmer thing and the eyeshadow quad. I could probably use all of those plus the mascara in a video at some point, so maybe I will do that in the next coming weeks. Overall, that was a pretty good advent calendar. That was actually my very first advent calendar that I've ever opened, so I'm really happy with it. I'm really happy with the price of it. I'm really happy with IPSY. So, and this is not sponsored at all, by the way. I don't think IPSY even has me on their radar like that, but I do love IPSY. I would highly recommend it to anyone who just wants to try a few new products. It's a pretty affordable way to get those new products, and they have plenty of discounts on other brands that they do sell, and they have like flash sales and stuff. So it is a nice way to get some newer products into your collection and to just try little sample and deluxe sizes as well. So I think that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing of this advent calendar. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and comment down below if there's a product you want to see me try out of these ones, or if there are some different products you got in your IPSY advent calendar. Also, don't forget to ring that notification bell so that you can get a notification every time I upload a new video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later, AllyCats.